Hi, my name is Farhad. I'm a founder of Creative Web. So in this video, I'm gonna exactly show you how to create and how to set up an Shopify shipping. And now currently in my store, if I go to the settings and if I go to the shipping, so I will change the shipping. This currently have a USA, so I will convert it into the like Germany. Okay, so for the shipping, so I will click it on over here and I will delete it. And currently this is the USA, so I will totally delete it and I also delete. Okay, so free shipping and I will delete. And okay, so I've deleted. So right now I'm gonna add uh, 1 second. Okay, so let's click the zone and I'm gonna select Germany. G U let's see if to find Germany. If here it is Germany, I will click the add. So now I'm gonna click the add rate. So I'm gonna click the free shipping user rate. Yes, I will click the yes, it will be free shipping. Okay, so shipping free for the free, so I will click the save and it have been added. So I'm gonna click the edit and okay, Germany, Ger German. So money. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So this way you can set up our Germany. So I showed that how to convert a USA to Germany shipping so in Shopify. Okay, that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, let me know, and also if you don't like, also let me know, and also in future what kind of video you are looking for, and also let me know, and I will click the save and let's try to go to checkout page. Let's see it's have been changed or not. Okay, so let's go to we already in preview, so I'm gonna refresh my website and then I will go one of the product I'll go with, and then I'll click here add to cart. Why this is like that? Okay, let's control F and a double add to cart. Okay, so let's change this in my store to find out that I didn't see anything like that. Add to cart. Okay, so let's convert add to cart into that to find out. Okay, this is my another tax. This is not Shopify tax. Okay guys, so please don't worry about that. Just I'm seeing one of the problem in the store. So let's change it. If I click here, actually I changed it USA to Germany, that's why I'm checking something. So let's go to checkout page and Germany, and I have to paste it here to the Germany code like where it is. Yes, zip code. I have to paste zip code. Germany IP zip code. Okay, so let's paste it and then let's copy one of the zip code and let's paste it over here in my store and paste here, and you're gonna see this shipping free, totally free, shipping free. Yes, can you see this is the 4 item price and shipping cost totally free, and this is the shipping cost. There is exactly in German language, that's why you cannot see it. Yeah, that's the thing. So it's currently working well, so I'm gonna keep this video here. So if you like this video, let me know, and then also if you don't like, let me know. I will create a new video for you. Why you don't like this video, also let me into the comment box. Thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day.